you so much. How many people would be there in this room right now? Around
200.
So when 200 people say good afternoon, it should be louder. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
That's great. Thank you so much. Thanks to Principal Ma'am, Nandini, and her colleagues and the students that they called me over here. And I've been trying to avoid this for a long time. I'm not used to going and giving speeches. I somehow don't like it. I somehow don't like going to this, dais and speaking and all that stuff. I like to be with people. I just like to be a student forever. But before I start, now that it's formal and I need to speak, am I audible at the backside?
Yes, sir.
So I'd like to tell you a story of a person who's very close to me. This person, when this person was in class 12th, did it from Jammu Tawi, Central School Jammu Tawi, and the person had to do his graduation. So at that time, the person thought that graduation तो एक ही जगह से करना होता है, क्योंकि आप first year छोड़ करके कहीं और नहीं जा सकते. So being related to Kanpur, that person came to Kanpur and did his graduation in 90s and 91 rather. In those days when जो मिल जाए, मतलब डॉक्टर और वकील और शायद इंजीनियर, चौथा कोई प्रोफेशन नहीं था. MBA was also coming in vogue. So that person did it physics, maths and earth science, and then was looking out for jobs. But before that, was trying his best to do his MBA. His only dream in life was MBA. बस MBA हो जाए तो life set है. Somebody had told him, MBA हो जाते ही life set है. Okay, and he sincerely believed it. Since I'm very close to that person, that finally MBA kahin nahi hoga. Due to some financial constraints, could not go to Mumbai to do Jamnalal Bajaj, and due to some other constraints, could not get a seat in MBA anywhere. And finally thought that maybe, that MBA naseeb mein hi nahi hai. Koi baat nahi. Let's try it from the bottom, then join a sales job. Okay, as a pharma medical representative in GlaxoSmithKline organization, and worked there for almost 11 years, grew from there, went to FMCG, grew from there, and that dream of MBA was still alive in that person. Always wanted to do MBA. Had never seen an MBA college. Had only seen PPN Degree College of Kanpur. That's the nearest to a college he'd seen. And then, from sales, the person went to another department, and the company that he was working for got merged, sold out, and then at one point was almost like on the roads. We don't know where to go, where's the future, nobody knows the future. And one day, he read a sentence somewhere, and that sentence was, if you want to be successful in life, feed your strengths and starve your weakness. And that day that person realized that if you work on your strengths, you can go places. Irrespective of what degree you have, irrespective of whatever you know, it doesn't matter. So, I'm talking about me only. That person, as I said, is close to me, that person is me. MBA to main kabhi nahi kar paya. But then I went to training industry. After almost 17 years in sales, I went to training industry, went to corporate training. And then from corporate training, I joined one of our clients called RSPL 10 years ago, about a decade ago, and set up the learning and development department with 3 people. Went on to become 5 people, went on to become 10 or 12 people, went on to become 16 people, went on to become 22 people, went on to become 25, 30, 40, and today, just about a week ago, we have the 45th person who joined in our department. In Kanpur, learning and development. Think about it. Okay. So, MBA का कभी नहीं करता. MBA का ड्रीम, मैं अभी नीचे बैठा था प्रिंसिपल मैम के साथ और पूछा था कि आप लोग डिस्टेंस लर्निंग भी शुरू कर रहे हैं, अगर हो सके तो मैं भी MBA कर लूँ. But the nearest college, that I could see was way back in 2014. I got selected for one of the management development programs in Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. So I went there. That was the first college I ever saw of MBA. And then in 2017, I got selected for some more courses. I went there again, and then went there again, and then went there again, and went there so many times that despite not doing an MBA, I have got now the alumni status of I am Ahmedabad, the executive education. It should be louder, ma'am. All I'm trying to say here is that education and education qualification are two different things. It is not necessary that you have education qualification, you also have education, and it is not necessary that if you do not have education, okay, you can get your education qualification from anywhere. Education is education. You can derive the best benefit if you're doing your BBA from here, MPGI, you can derive the best education from your education qualification. You may not derive an education qualification necessarily out of education. The job of education is up to you. Okay, you need to educate your own self. You are beyond your faculties who teach you, you are beyond your bosses, you are beyond your everyone who teaches you. You are you. This is one thing which I learned. And at many times, even in our department, I gave a small speech on career pe charcha. And I like to help people to build careers. So I was just talking to Principal Ma'am and Nandini when we were sitting with the director's cabin that if you go to army, आप जाते हो ना आर्मी में, तो एटलीस्ट यू नो कि आज आप कैप्टन हो तो कल मेजर बनोगे, फिर लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल, फिर कर्नल, ब्रिगेडियर. ओके, अगर आप पुलिस में जाते हो तो भी आपको पता है आप सब इंस्पेक्टर से इंस्पेक्टर बनोगे, थिंग्स लाइक दैट. बट देयर इज नो वे दैट यू कैन फाइंड आउट कॉर्पोरेट में क्या होगा. When you will become a manager, when you will become senior manager, when you will become a general manager or vice president, there is no way to know that. There are a few books that are written on this. One is Catalyst and one is Rules of the Game. They are all written for corporate. And if you read them, you will realize that जिस तरीके से आपने भी कपड़े पहने हैं ना, या आप टेलर के पास गए थे या रेडीमेड लिए हैं? रेडीमेड ही मिलते हैं. मिलते होंगे?
Yes, sir.
I am getting yes and no both. Jatin, you are saying yes.
No, sir.
रेडीमेड मिलते हैं आपके साइज के?
No, sir.
क्यों नहीं मिलते? मिलते होंगे ना, शर्ट ही तो चाहिए. अच्छा, कॉलेज का नहीं मिलेगा, बट अदरवाइज जो आप नॉर्मल कपड़े पहनते हो दूसरे, ना तो यूनिफॉर्म, रेडीमेड मिलता है. ओके, दैट्स व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन द वर्ल्ड. यू गेट रेडीमेड गारमेंट्स. साइज सेलेक्ट किया, ऐड टू कार्ट, आ गया. शॉपिंग कार्ट में डाला, बिल किया, आ गया. Amazon में डाला, आ गया. मिंत्रा, जबांग, all these things, और आ गया घर में. You do anything, you get stuff ready-made today. Unfortunately, this is a lie for careers. Careers are not ready-made. Careers are not ready-made. And this is the big lie that is sold everywhere. कि आप BBA कर लो, life set है. MBA कर लो, life set है. I'm not against BBA or MBA. I'm saying that it should be done. But what I'm saying is that it is not necessary that अगर आपने BBA कर लिया तो आपकी life set है, MBA कर लिया तो life set है. Careers are not ready-made. You cannot pick off-the-shelf careers. It is a big lie that is being sold by many people. So career is what? Tailor-made. Yes or no?
Self-made, sir.
Self-made. Yeah. So the next question was, who's the tailor? So it's self. We are the tailors. Okay. Second thing which I have realized, which I want to share, with all this that I have seen in life, is that in today's world, a typical goal-oriented approach might not work. कि आज मैंने ये कर लिया, कल मैं इतना पहुंच जाऊंगा, कल मैं यहाँ हो जाऊंगा, मेरी इतनी सैलरी हो जाएगी, मैं ये पोजीशन पे होऊंगा. It doesn't work. It's an evolution now. Start from anywhere, go everywhere. It's possible. There are 4 people here who are working with us right now. They are our employees. And they're just mind-blowing. Mind is equal to blow. I don't think about them much because if I put them in my mind, as I said, they are mind-blowing. So they are going to evolve. Similarly, you are there, wherever you are, you're going to evolve. So I've seen this typical goal-oriented approach was way back in the 90s and 2000, dead and buried days. भैया ये कर लो, इसके बाद ये कर लेना, इतना हो जाएगा. As if we can predict the future. Nobody knows what will happen tomorrow. tomorrow. Nobody knows what the new education policy might bring about. But we think that हमें पता है. अगर कोई आपको बोलता है ना, in my last lecture also I said, if you meet anyone in this world, including me, जो आपको ये word बोले ना, मैं बताता हूँ. उल्टा हो जाना, दरवाजे की तरफ देखना और फुल स्पीड में वहां से चले जाना. किसी को कुछ नहीं पता है. Most of the people are just saying, मैं बताता हूँ, मैंने देखा है ना, तुमने देखा ही क्या है? और आपको लगता होगा यार आपने वो नहीं देखा जो हमने देखा है. उनको लगता है कि आपने वो नहीं देखा जो हमने देखा है. And it could include your teachers, your bosses, your parents, your relatives जो आपको मिलते होंगे कभी किसी शादी फंक्शन में. बेटा क्या कर रहे हो? BBA. बहुत बढ़िया. अब इसके बाद ये करना, ये करना, ये करना, ये करना, ये करना. And then you ask them, आपने क्या किया? अगर सुनना है तो उसकी सुनो जिसने कुछ किया हो. Anyone for that matter. At least you have some level of truth in that. We cannot predict the future. We can only evolve now. Yes, it's good to have goals, but they should be intrinsic. अपने अंदर के goals. Extrinsic goals तो matter नहीं करते. They are all gone. जब ready-made है ही नहीं future, तो how can you even listen to anyone? How can you? I sit with these people, I ask them, बताओ क्या सिखाते हैं BBA में, MBA में, मैं भी सीखूं. No harm done. What's the harm done in learning? So, the point is that careers are not ready-made. No one can tell you. The next time, I'm sure you'll remember, जिसने बोला ना, मैं बताता हूँ. फिर वो चाहे दूर के फूफा हो, मौसा हो, चाचा हो, I'm still not going to parents. Okay, कोई भी. I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm always controversial whenever I speak. So maybe there is a very formal setup that you have over here, but I'd like to break all the formalities. I'd like to break every thing that exists which tells me that it might not work. Okay. So today's world is more about evolving, and in the process, what you become is more important than what you do and what you achieve. You might achieve anything, but what you become is more important. Yesterday I was telling the story to one of my senior managers. I think I'd like to repeat it here. एक बार ना एक राजा का काफिला जा रहा होता था. और राजा का काफिला, राजा समझते हैं ना, राजा काफिला कुछ स्टोरी पता नहीं ना, करंट जनरेशन में हो सकता है राजा ही ना होता. राजा मीन्स सम रैप सिंगर व्हिच आई डोंट नो. सो राजा का काफिला जा रहा होता है और रास्ते में एक साधु थोड़ा ध्यान लगा के बैठा था. तो जो सामने सैनिक होते हैं वो लोग बोलते हैं, अरे हटो साधु जी यहां से, प्लीज यहां से साइड में हो जाइए, राजा का काफिला जा रहा है. तो साधु उनको बोलते हैं, सैनिकों को, तू ऐसा है इसलिए तू ऐसा है. You getting it? तू ऐसा है इसलिए तू ऐसा है. सेनापति इसे देखता है कि यार there is some commotion, क्या हो रहा है. तो सेनापति comes and says, साधु जी प्रणाम, भाई लागू, क्या आप अपने आप को यहां से थोड़ा सा विस्थापित कर लेंगे उस तरफ, ताकि हमारे राजा का काफिला जा सके. मैं आपकी मदद कर देता हूं विस्थापित होने में यहां से. तो साधु बोलता है, तू ऐसा है इसलिए तू ऐसा है. फिर राजा देखते हैं, फिर राजा देखते हैं, और राजा देखते हैं क्या हो रहा है. अपनी पालकी से उतरते हैं और जाते हैं वहां पर, और जाके बोलते हैं, साधु जी साष्टांग दंडवत प्रणाम, मेरा राज्य थोड़ा ही आगे है, मेरा आपसे अनुग्रह है कि आप प्लीज हमारे साथ चलें, हमें ज्ञान दें, हमें सेवा का मौका दें, हमें आशीर्वाद दें, हमारी और हमारी प्रजा को आशीर्वाद दें, और हमें कुछ भी सेवा करने का मौका मिले तो हम अपने आप को खुशबख्त से समझेंगे. पता है क्या बोलते हैं साधु? जोर से बोलिए.
ऐसा है.
तो ऐसा है इसलिए तू ऐसा है. What you become is more important than what you do and what you achieve. अगर हमारा अचीवमेंट या करने के हिसाब से हमारा अगर कोई जजमेंट होता तो हम लोग ह्यूमन बीइंग्स नहीं होते. हम लोग का नाम होता ह्यूमन डूइंग्स. But we are human beings. So what we become is more important. That's something which I want to share today. Then a few lessons that I picked up, and अगर कोई मुझे बोले निचोड़ आपके, I've been working for 30 years and seen ups and downs a lot, and especially corporate. And I've seen, अगर आप कोई मुझसे पूछे अच्छा इसका निचोड़ क्या है, what is your key insights that you want to give to the next generation? I would only say a few things, you know. One is take responsibility of your life. You are responsible for your own life. No one else is. Even your teacher is not responsible. Teacher does the best for every student. Teacher is never biased. They come, they'll do the best. You take responsibility of your life, and that day life will change. One of the ways, one of the advantage of, you know, not blaming anyone for anything in this world is that आप at least कुछ करोगे तो, जब आप अपने आप को responsible समझोगे, blame करोगे तो at least आप कुछ करोगे तो. Okay, if you blame your, you know, bosses, if you blame your parents, and that जो मिले थे ना आपको भी कुछ दिन पहले शादी में, फूफा जी, ताऊ जी, मौसा जी and all, if you blame them, उन्होंने कहा था यहाँ कर लो, लो हमारा तो कुछ हुआ नहीं, और वो भी नहीं मिले, अपनी शादी किसी को हुई नहीं तो मिले ही नहीं वो तो मैं बताता हूँ बोल के चले गए थे. They are not responsible for your life. You are responsible for your own life. That is one thing which I learned. And the day I did that, I think everything that happens I blame myself. And then, you know, at least second step ये होता है कि now I'll do something about it. Otherwise you can keep blaming others, you know. And मेरे ना माँ बाप ने नहीं करने दिया, मेरे ना बॉस ने नहीं करने दिया, मेरी सोसाइटी ने नहीं करने दिया. आप सर समझते नहीं हो सर. हम आप मैं फिर आप उल्टा हो जाओगे. मैं बताता हूँ सर, हमारे यहाँ ऐसा होता नहीं. मैं बताता हूँ. मेरा तो एक ही स्टैंडर्ड आंसर होता, तुम हो कौन? Okay. So the day you take responsibility for your own life, that is the day everything changes. This is one learning that I got. And another thing which I saw was the next key insight, you know, that was what the next key insight is how you respond to things. Not only how you do things, but how you respond to things. I'll give you a simple example. आप एक इंटरव्यू में जाते हो और एम्प्लॉयर बैठा हुआ है. आप हो प्रोस्पेक्टिव एम्प्लॉय. मैंने कल ही इंटरव्यू लिया 4. सो आपके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा होता है? कितनी तनख्वाह, ओके, क्या जॉब, क्या पर्क्स, क्या फैसिलिटीज, ओके, कितना कम धूप देखने को मिलेगी मुझे, और क्या क्या सपोर्ट मिलेगा, शाम को कितने बजे निकल जाऊंगा ताकि अपने दोस्तों के साथ तब भी ऐश कर सकूं. आपके दिमाग में वो चल रहा है. एम्प्लॉयर के दिमाग में क्या चल रहा होगा? यार इसका स्किल सेट क्या है, ये क्या अचीव करेगा, मुझे मेरा जो रिजल्ट है उसमें स्ट्रैटेजिक फिट होगा कि नहीं होगा. वो एम्प्लॉयर के दिमाग में चल रहा है. जस्ट इमेजिन इफ यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग फ्रॉम द एम्प्लॉयर्स माइंड, forget about what's going in your mind. In your mind, salary, perks, everything is going on. Just forget that. Just think employer क्या सोच रहा है. And rest is easy. And all your answers will come like this. Okay, sir, I'll bring in this skill set. I'll bring in this job requirement. I'll achieve goals like this. And that's a big mistake people do. You know what will happen when you think in terms of the employer? What will happen in the employer's mind? Any guess? जब आप एम्प्लॉयर के तरीके से सोचोगे तो एम्प्लॉयर किसके तरीके से सोचेगा फिर? Thank you so much. Can it be louder? Who said that? राघवेन, दो. अच्छा आपने. Yes. आपकी तरफ से. फिर वो आपके लिए सोचेगा, अरे यार ये तो काम भी कर रहा है, मेरे गोल्स भी मीट कर रहा है, यार इसकी सैलरी देख लेता हूँ, इसको कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं है, बुला के स्पेशली बोलेगा कहीं फंसे तो नहीं हो. You know, there are times when people are forcefully given increments, forcefully. कि बुरा ना मानिए प्लीज, ले लीजिए कुछ, बस जाइए मत. Okay, and I have seen that. I have personally seen that, and that is usually because you respond. How you respond, not how you do things. How you respond, and that's critical. That's something which I've learned, you know, over a period of time. And the third insight that I got was always keep learning. Keep learning, learning, learning. Every time, keep learning. Even if you cannot learn something specific, be generic. Learn about the world. Learn about what's happening. Learn about. Read blogs. Okay, my team knows. Just a personal thing I'm sharing. Apart from being the head of L&D, learning and development, I also can solve the Rubik's Cube in 40 seconds. I can solve, I think, how many puzzles I have in my office? What, 30, 40 puzzles?
Approx 50, sir.
Huh?
Approx 50.
50 puzzles. And all of them I can solve just like that. That's because I'm learning. Okay. And trust me, after solving the Rubik's Cube in 40 seconds, I realize I'm not learning anymore.
because वो तो same repetitive process है. So I need a tougher one now. I need a tougher one. So keep learning. That's one thing which I've learned. Keep learning. Okay. And Himanshu and Jatin, your colleagues had come a few months ago and played the guitar with me as well.
Yes, sir.
So we play the guitar also. And we have a few musical instruments in my office. One is called a kalimba. You can Google for it. And guitar. Electric guitar, acoustic guitar. They're all there in my office and we play it. And we learn chords. We learn leads. You know why we do that? It's not because of anything else but except to keep our neurons alive. If you stop learning, you're already dead. जब एक छोटा बच्चा होता है ना, आपके घर में भी होंगे, not to mention the फूफास and the ताऊस and the मौसाजीज, जब आप मिलते होंगे तो उनके बच्चे भी तो होंगे.
Yes, sir.
तो बच्चों के माइलस्टोन्स होते हैं. तो माँ जो है उनका माइलस्टोन देख रही होती है. अब 1 साल हो गया, अब ये खड़ा हो गया. अब 2 साल हो गया, अब ये बोलना शुरू कर दिया. अब 3 साल हो गया, अब ये बोलना बंद नहीं कर रहा. You know, all those milestones are there. Right? आपके भी माइलस्टोन है. किसने कहा कि BBA is the milestone? किसने कहा कि MBA is the milestone? क्या हो गया? Job is the milestone. You are not growing. अगर कोई बच्चा नहीं चल रहा था 5 साल तक तो वो डॉक्टर के पास जाता है. अगर बोल नहीं रहा तो डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं. It's not meeting his milestone. Okay. हम कभी जाते हैं डॉक्टर के पास? चलो आप तो अभी स्टूडेंट ही हो. बट उसके बाद सीनियर्स 20-20 साल काम करने के बाद do they ever realize that they are useless? Unless and until you keep learning. So that is one thing which I learned, that keep learning, keep learning. And one of the formula of learning is to know every day something that you don't know. Every day something that you don't know. Okay, Google for this word called lygometry. Lygometry. Lygometry is, the measurement of what you don't know. So there's a full science behind it. Every time you know, every day you know something that you don't know, you reach your limits of knowing. कि जितना आता है कम से कम आज पता चला इतना ही आता था, ये तो नहीं आता. कम से कम एटलीस्ट आप अपनी सीमा तक तो पहुंचे, कम से कम लिमिट तक तो पहुंचे. और जब आप लिमिट तक पहुंचोगे तभी तो जाके उसको चैलेंज करोगे, तभी तो वो लिमिट आगे बढ़ेगी.
Yes.
अगर आप लिमिट के अंदर ही रहोगे, बस आपने एक कोई चीज पढ़ ली है, कोई एक किताब पढ़ ली. अंग्रेजी में कहावत है, बी केयरफुल ऑफ अ पर्सन हु हैज रेड ओनली वन बुक. क्योंकि उसने जरा सी एक किताब पढ़ी, हर चीज में वही लगाएगा. ये तो शिव खेड़ा भी यही कहता है, या संदीप माहेश्वरी ने भी यही बोला है. ओके. और जिन्होंने एक ही बुक पढ़ी होगी या एक ही लेक्चर सुना होगा, दे विल कोरिलेट एवरीथिंग विद ओनली दैट लेक्चर. सो one should always, challenge their limit rather than limiting their challenges. And that's how you keep growing. You will never, you'll never grow old if you keep learning. It doesn't matter what your age is. And just for your, some people took a note when I said lygometry. So I would tell them, another thing. Take a note and Google for something called telomere. Telomere. Okay, there is a new breakthrough research that has come, the telomere effect by Elizabeth Blackburn. And हमारे genes में जा रही है, ये learning that we are doing every day is going in our genes, in our chromosomes and making us live more. And these are all scientific proofs. So keep learning is one thing which I learned. And then work on your strengths. बहुत वीकनेस बताने वाले बतेरे हैं आपके पास, आप ना भी पूछो तो भी मिल जाएगा. अगेन बैक टू योर, तुम्हारे अंदर ये कमी है, तुम्हारे अंदर ये कमी है. आप ये बोला चलो कमी तो बहुत हो गई, आज बताओ मेरे अंदर अच्छाई क्या है. और वो नहीं बताता तो go to strengthsfinder.com, get your strength test done. Go to personalitymatch.com, get your strength test done. See what your strengths are. Work on your strengths. In this world, everyone who has been successful who worked on their strengths. Again, it's a big lie. Improve yourself, improve yourself, improve yourself, improve yourself. Some bolte improve yourself, but how? The answer lies in your strengths. Okay, weaknesses are pulling you down, average them. But don't think that your journey of life will be led by just improving on your weakness. If you want to grow as a human, work on your strengths. And lastly, I'd like to also say that Edmund Hillary, you know Edmund Hillary? Who was the first person to climb Mount Everest? Who was the first person to climb Mount Everest?
पूरे इंडियन
Thank you. Everyone did that. So when he, reached near the mountain, he could not climb in his first attempt. You know what he said over there? He said, "I will come back and conquer you. I will come back and conquer you because as a mountain you cannot grow, but as a human I can."
वाह
That's what he came back again. He did his practice, came back again, and climbed the Mount Everest. And to end it, one of the best things that he said when he reached the summit of Mount Everest, of course he said it while coming back because वहाँ कोई था नहीं. So he said that today I realized that we don't conquer mountains, we conquer ourselves. We just conquer ourselves. And the day our internal world is stronger than the external world, we have mastered life. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you. I thought I'll speak for just 5-10 minutes and take questions. Any questions you have which I would love to answer, or at least give my take. Not मैं बताता हूँ, मैं कोशिश करता हूँ बताने की. Yeah, Ravi.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Myself, Raghvendra Tiwari. Actually, sir, in today's world, we are surrounded by property.
Yeah, I can hear, provided others can hear.
एंकर का नाम क्या था एंकर का नाम नहीं नहीं
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, actually, in today's world, about 90% of the person that we are surrounded with are of negative mind. Sir, as you already told that they told us what are your weakness. They don't tell us what we are good at. Then sir, how can we avoid those persons and can we good at what we are actually good at?
Okay, very good question, Raghvendra. First of all, I would like to ask one question back to you. 90% का data जो है ये आपका opinion है या fact है?
No, sir, because actually I used to meet many of the persons in college and different type of shops, many of my relatives as well. Then they only told me that my weakness. They don't tell me my where I am good at.
So, Raghvendra, your relatives and the people that you meet represent 90% of the world?
Approx, it can be.
They represent 90% of the world?
Approx, it can be because most of the person, most of them don't only just tell me my weakness. They don't tell me what I am good at.
Okay, so first of all, what I am good at, I told you a few websites, you can go there. And I have a question back to Raghvendra and it's applicable to everyone. ठीक है, आपके घर में एक वो ड्राइंग रूम होगा जिसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, जहाँ पर सब गेस्ट आते हैं तो रहते हैं.
यस सर
बैठक.
बैठक
तो ये बैठक है और ये एक चैनल डोर है. ओके, और आप देखते हो घंटी बजती है, आप देखते हो कि पड़ोसी खड़ा है, आप दरवाजा खोलते हो, पड़ोसी अंदर आता है, एक बाल्टी कूड़ा मेरे ड्राइंग रूम में डाल देता है, क्या करोगे?
मना
प्लीज
करो
जोर से.
सर मना करेंगे
मारोगे डॉक्टर?
सर मना करेंगे पहले
क्या राघवेंद्र, आप क्या करोगे?
सबसे बोलेंगे कि आप मेरे घर पे क्यों आप बाहर
यार क्यों यहाँ क्यों डाल रहे हो, बाहर डालो. डे टू घंटी बजती है, आप देखते हो पड़ोसी खड़ा है, आप दरवाजा खोलते हो, पड़ोसी अंदर आता है, एक बाल्टी कूड़ा डाल देता है, क्या करोगे?
चिल्ला दूंगा
सर तो सर चिल्लाएंगे सर बेसिकली सर
चिल्लाएंगे अब की बार, प्यार खत्म हो गया.
प्यार तो सर पहली बार में होता है
गुड. डे थ्री राघवेंद्र, डे 3 घंटी बजती है, आप देखते हो पड़ोसी खड़ा है, आप दरवाजा खोलते हो, पड़ोसी अंदर आता है, कूड़ा डालते हो, क्या करोगे?
कूट देंगे
मारने लगेंगे पहले
जोर से बोलो.
सर मारने लगेंगे सर उसको
मारने लगोगे. डे 4
सर
थैंक यू सो मच. तो फिर अगर हम अपना ड्राइंग रूम का गेट ही नहीं खोलेंगे तो राघवेंद्र ये भी तो गेट है जिसको आप रोज खोलते हो, जिसमें नेगेटिव विचार रूपी कूड़ा लोग लाके डाल रहे हैं. क्यों खोलते हो?
ठीक है सर बेसिकली मैं सराउंडेड बाय दोस पर्संस ओनली.
माय क्वेश्चन इज क्यों खोलते हो? पहले आपने क्या किया, प्यार से बात कर ली, फिर आपने उसको झाड़ भी दिया, फिर आपने उसको समझा भी दिया, और फिर आपने गेट ही बंद कर दिया. अल्टीमेटली गेट ही बंद करना पड़ता है लास्ट में. मैंने आपको बोला था जब यहाँ की दुनिया बाहर की दुनिया से बड़ी हो जाती है, मास्टर लाइफ.
Why should we listen to them? 90%. Raghavendra and his relatives form 90% of the world. बड़ा कुटुंब है. जैसे आपने बोला ना, I have seen, मैंने देखा है. You know, in your question you asked me, I can be a little pally with him because I know him. And we are on LinkedIn also. And he likes my many posts. So, मैंने देखा है sir. So, another advice, unsolicited advice. जिस तरीके से उन लोगों से दूर रहो ना जो बोलते हैं मैं बताता हूँ, उन लोगों से भी दूर रहो जो बोलते हैं मैंने देखा है. Yeah, any other question? Yeah, please. Hand over the mic, Raghavendra, to those girls. पहले उन्होंने हाथ उठाया था.
अपूर्व
Sir, as I'm doing BBA, so please can you tell us some? Sir, as I'm doing BBA, so sir, please can you tell us some platforms where we can develop our skills, especially managerial skills?
Okay. You know what is BBA? Is it practicing theory or theorizing practice?
Both.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Where are you practicing theory over here?
So, like in ethics
Good. And
and organizational behavior.
where are you doing that?
So, in BBA.
Not in textbooks. Textbooks is theorizing practice. I'm asking you, where are you practicing theory?
Now, in our daily life we are doing, we are practicing it.
Give me examples.
Like so for example, activities and different type of activities we are using,
Like,
and
just one example.
example of MFest.
So you've already learned that. You're already learning the skills. If you're able to carry out an MFest, okay, flawlessly, if you're able to conduct yourself flawlessly with all the planning, you're already learning planning. You're already learning execution. You're already doing it. Just by asking this question, you have also proved that you're inquisitive. Hi. I said just by asking this question, you already proved that you're inquisitive, you're curious. That's also important. You're learning these skills. Half of the people, you know, even if they have a question, they won't ask. पता नहीं क्या होगा, अरे पता नहीं यार, बाद में लोग छेड़ेंगे यार मुझे यार. और हम तो कह ही रहे थे यार. बता, ये सब चीजें चल रही होती है. You have already crossed that mind chatter. Yeah, next.
Good noon, sir.
Hi.
From BBA second year, and it's almost my end of fourth sem. And I just want to ask that what skills we can develop for further enhancement, so that we can make sure that we can grow more individually.
Okay. Have you ever assisted your mother in the kitchen?
Yes, sir.
क्या क्या काम करती हो?
She cooks food for us.
What else?
And,
Cooking में क्या क्या involve होता है?
I think so. All the ingredients, first of all, she collected and just
कहाँ से लाती है ingredients? आप
from the
जाते हो उनके
market.
साथ?
Yes, sir.
मार्केट में कैसे लेते हो उसे?
From the seller.
तो अगर वो 50 रुपए किलो बोलता है तो उसको 40 कैसे करते हो?
So we just say कि भैया हम रोज आते हैं, just
Okay.
बार्गेन.
उसके बाद जब वो इंग्रेडिएंट्स आ जाते हैं, उसमें से कितने दिन तक फ्रिज में रखना है और कौन सा वाला फ्रिज में खराब हो जाएगा अगर 2 दिन से ज्यादा रखा, किसको फ्रीजर में रखना है? These things you do or not?
Yes, sir. Of course we do.
उसके बाद उन सब्जियों को काटते भी होगे,
Yes, sir.
दूध को उबाल के रखते भी होगे,
Yes, sir.
चाय भी बनाते होगे.
Yes, sir.
You're already learning managerial skills. All you're giving is in management names to them. You're calling it procurement.
Yes.
You're calling it negotiation.
Yes, sir.
These heavy words come later. You're calling it planning. You're calling it execution. You're already doing it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So apply this mind to the activities that you do and give them names. That's about it. Same चीज यहाँ भी होगा. When you come to a corporate, you're given a task. You'll do the same things. सर मैंने बात की है सर, आपने बोला था 10 पैड लेके आने, स्टेशनरी पैड. सर वो 50 का दे रहा है, मैंने उससे बात कर ली, 40 का उससे मांग लिया दुकान से, जैन स्टेशनरी से. सर वो 40 में दे देगा, कंपनी के 100 रुपए बच जाएंगे सर 10 पैड पे. You're already doing it. तो सर हमारी बॉटम लाइन बेटर हो जाएगी, यू आर डूइंग इट. Okay, the question is, we don't live reflective lives. We live life on auto mode.
Thank
We
you.
just get up sometimes, because sun rises, we go to college because there is a college. Khatam nahi hua answer. So we live in an auto mode. The moment you reflect on anything, okay, like they tried their best to put the AC towards me, it didn't come because of mood nahi raha. Okay, so next time they learn from this. तो भैया चाहे जो भी हो, अगली बार से ये भी ध्यान देंगे, चलो एक एसी यहाँ में लगा दो. I'm just saying this is learning. Okay. या जैसे मैं वहाँ बैठा था, all this is learning. 2 दिए लास्ट में नहीं चल पाए थे, learning. So every time like I learned. I told Richa, यार Richa यार मैंने जूते नहीं उतारे जब दिया जलाया. I should have done that, but unfortunately I'm wearing a very different kind of sneakers which require a shoe horn in order to rewear them. So अब next learning is, कभी बुलाया गया तो भैया ऐसे पहन के जाना जो आराम से आप उससे बाहर निकल जाओ, नॉट जस्ट लंबे हेवी लेस वाले एंड ऑल दो स्टफ. सो गुड, थैंक यू. एनी अदर क्वेश्चन?
Hello. So I will have a question.
उसका भी था, चलो क्या कोई बात नहीं, बोलो.
Sir, my name is Himanshu from BBA first year. Sir, so my question is कि सर हम सभी लोग स्टडी कर ही रहे हैं. मैं BBA कर रहा हूँ, 2 साल बाद मेरा BBA हो भी जाएगा. सो हम सभी लोग कोशिश करते हैं कि हमें कॉलेज प्लेसमेंट मिल जाए, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल इनको नहीं मिल पाता. तो ऐसे कौन से प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं, तो वो ऐसा क्या करें जिनसे उनको अपॉर्चुनिटी ग्रैब हो और वो भी अपनी लाइफ में आगे बढ़े और प्रेजेंट कर पाए कि हाँ आई विल गेट द जॉब आफ्टर माय ग्रेजुएशन. So this is my question.
I think it was a part of my speech, where we talked about life is not ready-made. Even college placements are not ready-made. कि कोई कंपनी आएगी तो रेडीमेड ले ही लेगी, चलो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. As I said, they are looking for something. Are you developing that? If a person is not selected in placement, supposing, what is it that was there? What is it? Think about it. Most of the time in freshers, skills are looked for less than attitude. Most of the time, I at least look for attitude. And it was just an example. I look for attitude. Okay, because I remember I see attitude as the main cake. Skills are just the icing on the cake of the attitude. Rather than people thinking attitude can be the icing on the cake of skill, it's not. So one of the things is that मैंने BBA किया है, अब मुझे जॉब मिलना चाहिए. क्यों मिलना चाहिए बताओ? क्या आप इकलौते हो जो उससे BBA किया? I'm sorry, I'm just being a little upfront just to discuss, nothing else. Okay, या फिर प्लेसमेंट एजेंसीज का जॉब है, हमने तो भैया दिया था, फीस दी थी, हमने तो कॉलेज में हमको तो बताया गया था पहला प्लेसमेंट इतने का हुआ था, हमारा क्यों नहीं हुआ? I mean, these circumstances are the same for everyone. We build, like जब सूरज निकलता है तो अगर किसी कुम्हार है, उसने बर्तन सुखाने के रखे हैं, जो उसने मिट्टी के बर्तन बनाए हैं, वो प्रे कर रहा है कि आज बारिश ना हो. और जिसने बीज डाला है खेत में, वो प्रे कर रहा है बारिश हो. तो भगवान क्या देगा? बारिश या नहीं बारिश? बिकॉज अगर बारिश देगा तो किसान खुश हो जाएगा, लेकिन कुम्हार नाराज हो जाएगा. और अगर बारिश नहीं देगा तो कुम्हार खुश हो जाएगा, किसान नाराज हो जाएगा. The only way to solve is कि बारिश हो चाहे ना हो, किसान अपना इरिगेशन बेटर कर ले, और बारिश हो चाहे ना हो, कुम्हार जो है कोई छतरी सी बना ले ताकि अगर बारिश हो जाए तो भी प्रोटेक्ट हो जाए. That's about it. What you are discussing is about circumstances. What you are discussing is about external influences. As I said, take responsibility for your life. That's what I learned. Okay, if you don't get through an interview, it's not the end. You can ask them, what is it that you're looking for that I did not have? I answer each and every candidate what you do not have. And if they are overqualified, that also. So that they can develop. There are people I tell them, we'll meet you after 1 year. I want a different version of you. Okay, right now maybe you're not qualified, but you will be. So the point is that we are looking at again, it from a frame of that it's a ready-made garment. It's not ready-made. गलत कर गया कपड़ा भाई, फिर से उसको रफू करना पड़ेगा. फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू गलत गया तो क्या होगा? It's not the job of your placement agencies and it's not the job of companies to hire you. It's the job of your job is what you can do, and most of the time you'll see that these are not skills that they're looking for. Skills can be developed. They're looking for the you factor. Yesterday I took an interview. So this guy tells me, "Sir, I want to join TCS and Accenture. That's my life." Okay, yeah, I hope you're not from this college. No. Yeah. And I asked him, why have you come to RSPL? Sir, 6-7 महीने काम करेंगे यहाँ पर? तो मैंने कहा, why should I hire you for 6-7 महीने? अरे सर, मैं चमकूंगा। तो मैंने कहा, फिर कहीं और चमको। 6-7 महीने के लिए कहीं और चमको। सर, बाकी जगह सर 6,000-7,000 देते हैं सर। तो मैंने कहा, तो चमक तो तभी सकते थे। You know, I later on realized that, and I told him, I'll see you after 1 year. You're a nice guy. Stay in touch. Okay, you're right now a little confused. I'm waiting for you to gain some jhatke idhar-udhar life se, and then I'll see you on next year. And he realized, I said, we're not rejecting you. We are redirecting you. That's it. All rejections are just redirections. Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, currently I am pursuing MBA, and my question is that as you have said that you have taken 4 interviews. So every interviewer asks one question that tell me about your strength and weakness. It is easy to tell us about to him that what is our strength, but how to tackle with our weakness that we can say to the interviewer.
That's a very interesting question. Very interesting. Because when I was asked, I'll only respond how I answered. I said there's nothing called weakness in this world to the interviewer when I was at your age.
But sir, we can say that we didn't have any weakness.
Let me complete my sentence. मुझे मालूम है आपको पता है, लेकिन आपको ये नहीं पता है जो मैं बोलने जा रहा हूँ. So I said there's nothing called weakness. There are only improvement areas. So let me tell you. I told my interviewer when I was your age. Okay, so maybe way back in 1991 or so. And I said there's nothing called weakness, sir. There are only improvement areas. You are giving a rubber stamp when you call it weakness. You are giving it a permanency when you're calling it weakness. Yes, I have improvement areas, and I am a little poor in my data management at times. At times, I'm not able to accumulate my data. I'm not able to sometimes even analyze the data beyond a particular point. I gave all the answers, and these are my areas of improvement. In fact, I said these are not even my areas of improvement. They are my improvement opportunities. They are my areas of opportunities. And the interviewer was stunned. I said, please don't call it weakness, sir. Weakness will make me feel that I'm nothing. And he liked it. These are my response. There is no standard way to respond. There is no standard way. And you should, if at all, okay, ever that you're totally cornered, then at least give low impact weakness. Don't give weaknesses which will impact so much on the job to lay na. Like you go to become a doctor and say, sir, खून तो मैं नहीं देख सकता sir, और इंजेक्शन से तो मुझे फिर एलर्जी है. या you go to a army interview and you say, sir, bullet, sir, बंदूक, अरे sir, दुश्मन, अरे sir, मैं तो भैया सब छुप जाता हूँ नीचे. So that is a very, high impact weakness. If you say कि sir मुझे मीठा बहुत पसंद है, तो that could be a low impact weakness. Whenever, if at all, first of all, the first answer is that there is nothing called weakness. The second answer is that if at all you are forced to do that, then low impact, not high impact ones. And why should you even have high impact ones? I mean, if you have high impact weakness, why have you gone for that interview? Okay, so that's my point. Yeah, but he's got the mic. We'll come back to you.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर.
Good afternoon.
सर थैंक यू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपको सुनकर. सर मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था कि हम जब कोई एक अपनी डेस्टिनेशन बनाते हैं, एक गोल बनाते हैं कि हमको ये अचीव करना है, लेकिन सर होता है कि बीच में हम बहुत सारी चीज़ों से डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं. अलग अलग डिस्ट्रैक्शन सर हम लोग को सर मतलब हमारे को गोल को ख़राब कर देता है. हम उसके प्रति से डेडिकेटेड नहीं रह पाते हैं. तो सर हम लोग को गाइड करिए कि कैसे हम डेडिकेटेड रह सकते हैं उस चीज़ के लिए.
I'll say that contradictions in this world do not exist. In this world there is nothing contradictory. Only premise is wrong. मतलब आपने पहले जो बोला ना कि गोल बनाते हैं, आपने गोल ही नहीं बनाया. It was not a goal. It was an aspiration, इच्छा, चाहत, desire, not goal. आखिरी बार अपने किसी दोस्त की शादी वादी में नाचे हो या रिश्तेदारों की बात हुई तो नाचे हो? आपको बोला गया मत नाचो मत नाचो, बहुत डिस्ट्रैक्शन आया होगा, पर छोड़ दिया नाचना? नहीं छोड़ा ना, बारात को आगे नहीं बढ़ने दिया, चाहे जो हो जाए। Because that was not इच्छा, that was intrinsically driven, बहुत अंदर से आया था। बाकी तो यार आपकी इच्छाओं से तो आपको एक एस्पिरेशन है, चाहते हैं, हसीन सपने हैं। गोल को तो कोई हटा ही नहीं सकता, कोई नहीं हटा सकता, बिकॉज वो आपका है। The goal is, you can never get distracted. Never. And if at all you will ever be distracted, it will be by you changing the goal. That's about it. That's the way I feel. Yeah, mic to her. Thank you.
You can ask her.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, I am Samriddhi and I am also from BBA first year. Sir, as Himanshu asked you one question, and you said that you need to develop a right attitude. So, how can we develop that right attitude?
Well, that's an interesting question. Very interesting question. It cannot be even answered in such a kind of platform. But I feel, if you want an answer in a jiffy, आजकल 2 मिनट का ज़माना है ना, तो 2 मिनट noodles type में, I only say one answer. And if you've read Stephen Covey's book on the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, you should read it. It talks about one simple concept called dichotomy of control. There are certain things which are in your circle of concern, यानी कि आप उनके बारे में सोचते हैं पर कुछ कर नहीं सकते. Okay? For example, इंडिया को वर्ल्ड कप जीतना चाहिए. Okay? आप चाहते हो हाँ या ना? Right? कुछ कर सकते हो? नहीं. इंडिया को वर्ल्ड कप जीतना चाहिए, ये इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम भी चाहती होगी. वो लोग कुछ कर सकते हैं?
Yes, sir.
Yes. It's in their circle of influence. That's called circle of influence and circle of concern. So, one of the best ways to develop an attitude is to know what is in your circle of influence rather than what is in your circle of concern only. Okay. And if you work on your circle of influence every time, जो आप कर सकते हो उसको कैसे बढ़ा सकते हो, जो आपके हाथ में उसको क्या कर सकते हो, okay, you are bound to only grow. Your influence will actually increase. If you think about those things that you cannot do, like me, could not do MBA up till now. I'm still a graduate with 51.6% marks from Peeping Degree College. That's the only education qualification I have. But I know that no one can stop me from reading books. No one can stop me from doing courses. No one can stop me from doing anything that I want. I was recently rejected for an MBA by Upgrad. कहते सर आपके कितने परसेंट थे? मैंने कहा 51.6. कहते सर आप तो क्वालिफाइड नहीं है. सर आपके कोई सबॉर्डिनेट हो? मैंने कहा वो ऑलरेडी MBA. What's in your circle of influence? What you can do? Okay, if you focus on that, trust me. And here I'll use the word मैं बताता हूँ. Trust me, your circle of influence will increase. And the more you think about what you can't do, the things that are not in your control, the things that are not in your control, the things that you're not in control will also increase. Think about it. And the right way of, I think that's the first way I can tell you of giving an attitude to yourself is मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ और उस पे काम करते रहो. वो बढ़ता जाएगा. आज 1 होगा तो कल 1.1 होगा. और मैं क्या नहीं कर सकती हूँ, वो कल अगर 1 होगा तो वो भी 1.1 होगा. So focusing on your circle of influence that you can do. There are many people, who work on circle of concerns. So when I came to your college, esteemed college, the director told me one thing. Sir, आज ना हमारी लिफ्ट नहीं काम कर रही. मैं और रिचा एक दूसरे को देख रहे. बेटा हम तो गए. आज 4 मंजिला चढ़ना पड़ेगा. क्या करें? सर्कल ऑफ कंसर्न में सोचे 4 मंजिला चढ़ना पड़ेगा. 4 मंजिला चढ़ना पड़ेगा भैया. 4 मंजिला चढ़ना पड़ेगा. यही सोचते रहेगा. ये तो मेरे कंट्रोल में नहीं है. 4 मंजिला तो चढ़ना पड़ेगा. लेकिन मैंने डायरेक्टर से बोला सर एक तरीका है, अगर हम धीरे धीरे चलें, रेलिंग पकड़ के चलें तो थोड़ा तो पुश है, थोड़ा पुल भी है. फिर नंदिनी ने बोला कि वी कैन गो 2 फ्लोर्स और उसके बाद हम एक फ्लैट एरिया में जा करके थोड़ा एरिया समतल चढ़ेंगे एंड फिर 3rd and 4th फ्लोर. for you cannot understand, but when you come to my age, fourth floor is a project. So we worked on a circle of influence. Okay, you have to keep on working on your circle of influence. That's about it. And if you increase that, trust me, you'll be a force to reckon with. No one can stop you. आप जो कर सकते हो उसके बारे में तो सोचो. कई बार जो आप नहीं कर सकते उसी के बारे में सोचते हैं. कंपनी क्या करेगी, प्लेसमेंट सेल क्या करेगा, मैडम क्या करेगी, प्रिंसिपल क्या करेगा, वो तो अपना काम कर रहे हैं.
हीट हो गया,
आपकी लाइफ तो उसी से बनेगी जो आप करोगे.
बैटरी कम है इसकी, जाने वाला है.
So work in a circle of influence. It took me a while to understand. And I'm telling you a true story. Okay, some of them know this. On 28th of August 2007, I had an aircraft accident in Varanasi. Okay, and we survived. When we survived, I picked up a stone from the airport, from the airstrip in fact. And I promised to myself that Kapilesh, this is your second life. Incidentally, 28th August also is my birthday, so it was actually my second life. And I said, this is your second life, Kapilesh, never ever complain. Always think about, hold a stone and think about what you can do. Think about what you have. Even if it's less salary, don't call it less salary, it is X salary. Khatam. X is less nahi hota. It is X salary. It is X car. Okay, not X wife. So, it is an X number. And trust me, everything, every thought process change. जो नहीं है उसके बारे में तो नहीं सोचता, लेकिन हाँ जो है उसके बारे में सोचता हूँ. And trust me, जो है वो बढ़ता जा रहा है in terms of positions, everything. And it was 2007, this is 2022. Not a single day in my life has gone where I do not have that stone in my pocket. Picked up from Varanasi Airport on 28th of August 2007. I can send you the link, it's there on the news also. And you watch it. And I still have it, yeah. I still have the stone, which I picked up from the airport in 2007.
Whoa!
And every time, someday you'll have to give it to yourself. You'll have to keep something. जैसे मम्मी बोलती है ना कि रुमाल में कांट बांध दो, याद रखिए, पर्स में कॉइन डाल दो, something. Do that for yourself. आपका तो नाम ही समृद्धि है. It's already destined for you. Thank you. Yeah, any other question? Yeah, please, Mike.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
So myself, Ojasvi Mishra from BBA first year.
Yeah, I didn't get it.
Sir, Ojasvi Mishra from BBA first year.
Ojasvi.
Yes, sir. And my question is related to Raghavan sir question. As he asked that people come to your life for to get negative vibes, and you answer that question कि उस डोर को ओपन मत करो, but somewhere we have to open that क्योंकि वो हमारे ही फ्लॉज बताते हैं और उन्हीं से हमें सीख मिलती है कि हमें आगे कैसे बढ़ना है. If we didn't listen, तो maybe that get negative to us कि हम लोग ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाए और maybe कुछ आगे गलत कर दें. So
Well, that's a brilliant point actually, what you have pointed out. I think we are wrong in our definitions there. The point is not about कमियां पे काम नहीं करना. That's not the point. उन्हीं को मालूम है आपकी क्या कमी है तो बताते हैं. Nothing wrong with that. The point is that आप कमियों पे काम करोगे ना, करना भी चाहिए. Don't expect great success out of it. They'll become average. I'll give an example. I'm a trainer. I've been told n number of times your handwriting is very bad, whereas I have to write on the board n number of times. Only thing that I've done is I've started writing in caps lock. तो कैपिटल में लिखना शुरू कर दिया है. मोती जैसे अक्षर नहीं बना रहा. उतना तो मैंने सुना है फीडबैक, बिकॉज वो इम्पैक्ट करता है ट्रेनिंग में. बट एज लॉन्ग एज इट्स लेजिबल, इट्स रीडेबल, इट्स फाइन. अब आप ये बोलो कि बेस्ट हैंड राइटिंग एक्सपर्ट बन जाऊं, वो नहीं बनना मुझे. Because possibly, there are other strengths that I'm working on. Probably my voice. Probably my voice modulation might be much better than my writing. I can keep on working on my writing, keep on working. I don't think I'll reach to that level जो लोग मोती जैसे अक्षर बना लेते हैं. But with my voice, I'll still, reach very high because I will be above average anyhow. Strength means you're above average, weakness means you're below average. So the journey of working on weakness will travel first towards average, then towards above average, then towards success. The journey of strength is already above average, and success is far above average. So that journey is easier and nearer. And then again, it's a choice. इट्स अ चॉइस. इफ इट्स अ डाउन पुलर, इफ द वीकनेस इज सच कि वो आपको बिल्कुल आपके ऊपर वो एक वो लोहे का बट्टा लगा हुआ है जो आपको डुबो ही देगा पानी में, तो उसको यू नीड टू गेट आउट ऑफ इट. बट अगर वो क्या बोलते हैं ऑर्डिनरी वीकनेस है जो बता रहे हैं, इट्स फाइन, इट इज कंप्लीटली फाइन. हु इज परफेक्ट? सेल्फ इंप्रूवमेंट की जो है पूरी इंडस्ट्री है. There are lakhs and lakhs of books written on positive thinking. There's not a single book written on negative thinking, how to think negatively. It's not written. It will never be written. Because the brain is a survival organ, it is already there to survive us. तो वो तो नेगेटिव सोचेगा ही सोचेगा. So it's up to us, you know. अगर इतना किताबें बिक गई पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग, सेल्फ इंप्रूवमेंट और ये सब इतनी सारी कुछ हो गया, इतने सेमिनार हैं, इतने एक्सपर्ट और कोच घूम रहे हैं दुनिया में, तो वो इंडस्ट्री तो डीग्रो करनी चाहिए. क्योंकि सेल्फ इंप्रूवमेंट ने ऑलरेडी चेंज कर दिया ना, लोग इंप्रूव हो गए. अब तो इंडस्ट्री को डीग्रो करना चाहिए, बट इंडस्ट्री ग्रो कर रही है. थिंक अबाउट इट. लाइक हमारा उद्देश्य है कि हम बीमारी का पूरा उन्मूलन कर देंगे हर जगह से, तो बीमारी तो चली जानी चाहिए, यानी कि हॉस्पिटल कम हो जाने चाहिए, पर हॉस्पिटल बढ़ रहे हैं. सो दैट इज अ वेरी डिफरेंट इंडस्ट्री. दे आर नॉट ट्राइंग टू डू दैट. एट अ पर्सनल लेवल लोग आपको बोलेंगे, यस आई थिंक यू विल हैव टू वेट, द चॉइस इज योर्स. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि आप आफ्टर 3 दिन आपने दरवाजा खोला ना, राघवेंद्र ने 3 दिन दरवाजा खोला. पहली बार उसने समझाया, फिर उसने पीटा, फिर क्या किया राघवेंद्र तीसरी दिन?
मारा.
हाँ मारा पीटा एक ही होता है.
सर सेकंड वॉइस चिल्लाया था. सेकंड
दिन का वॉइस से आराम से मतलब थोड़ा तेज से समझाया, और थर्ड वाले दिन से उसको पीटा. 4th डे गेट ही नहीं खोला.
That was the 4th day he did that action. In 3 days he also still had that. The point is also not this, आपके दरवाजे ही खोलो. I am only talking about कूड़े, तो दरवाजा मत खोलो. If somebody is telling you your weakness and is pulling you down, it's fine. It's fine, you can work on this, but never ever think that you're going to become a Shah Rukh Khan by pretending to be a Shah Rukh Khan. You can only become a better actor by where you are. You can become a better public speaker by where you are. जहाँ पर आप हो वहाँ से अपने आप को improve कर सकते. It's a very different world we are living in today's world. Everything is possible. Any other question? Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. It was a pleasure talking to you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you all the faculty. Bye. Have a good day and a great career.
Words can't express how much we learned today. The knowledge of corporate